Hey everybody, this is Travis with Keep the Bitch Floored. Today, actually just taking some video. I don't have anybody to talk to here today, but I stopped in. This is a place I've been here for quite a while. I've driven by these cars for several years, and there's two GTOs sitting out here, and they're just dying a slow, agonizing death. It's kind of a sad sight to see, but it's something to see, so I wanted to shoot this video and put it out there for you guys. He didn't know much about it. The owner of this home here, they're his son's cars, and he thought they were 68s. Let's take a look around them. Like I said, they've been here for years. Doesn't want to sell them. Has no real need to sell them. Can't really see in there. And their doors are locked. He said every now and then some people come by and they try to steal stuff off of them, and he said he had several people stopping in wanting to buy them, but the guy just won't sell them. There's the one there. Take a walk over here and we'll check out these other ones. I'm gonna get some shots of this later too. I think it makes some pretty good pictures, but man, that's just terrible. He didn't know much about it. Like I said, he didn't know much about it. He's an older guy. All he knows is his kid does not want to sell him. It'd be a hell of a lot of work. Alright, well, there you go. A couple of GTOs sitting in the weeds. This is Travis from Keep the Bitch Floored signing out.